Pororo!
Return of Robot Cook!
Inside the mountains, full of thick fog, lived a big dragon.
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77,
Wow, you're
78,
good.
79,
It's
80,
amazing.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85,
This means I'm
86,
hungry.
87, 88, 89, and
It's time to have dinner now. Shall we start cooking? Huh? Huh?
what shall I cook for you?
She probably won't find us. Found you! Harry! Don't think she's seen me yet. Are you sure? Found you! Now this time. All right.
She went that way.
She won't find us here. Hey guys! Found you! It's just Loopy left now. Huh? I thought I heard something. I think she's over there. Huh? Loopy! You found me.
After playing hide and seek, Pororo and friends went to Patty's house. What's this smell?
Wow, it smells good.
Petty, I think it's coming from your house.
What can it be? Oh, Loopy, you made something while we're playing hide and seek, right?
No.
Then let's go.
There's no one here.
Surprise! You're all back.
You're...
Nice to meet you again. Wait a moment while I prepare some food. Here's some chocolate pie.
Looks yummy.
But I thought you were living with the dragon. Maybe. Oh.
Prepare some food now.
Maybe the robot got scared of the dragon and ran away from him.
No, it's not that.
I'm here.
It's dragon. What shall we do?
Betty.
Dragon.
Hey, everybody's here. Nice to see you. Anyway, where's the robot cook?
Robot cook?
Hey, I'm here.
You're there.
This is a chocolate pie.
Wow, yummy! You're the best cook.
Dragon is a true friend who approves of my cooking.
This time, I'll show you a new trick I learned.
Trick?
Look!
Now, here's some more pies for you. 51, 52,
dragon and the robot are now close friends as well.